2, 1. Yo, what's poppin', guys? So today, stop. So today we're playing with Weston. Say hello, Weston.
Hello.
And we're playing Twisted. There's a new storm rat over there, so we're gonna go chase that one. I'm a professional storm chaser on this game, basically. Weston's kind of new. Would you say Weston kind of new?
Hello.
A little bit, because you played this game before.
Yeah.
Like 2 times before, at least. Like, the first time was when, who was babysitting you? The first time you played? Because I know that's the first time you played, right? Alright, this is starting to blow up. So we might want to get off this bridge, and we don't want to go on it. We might want to... We just got off. Just like that. And I don't see any rotation yet. Okay, so we're off of the highway, and then we might want to turn it and turn on a dirt. I hate dirt roads. Alright, we might want to get off this side of here. Oh my god, that was a lot of dots. Is humming in the background?
No.
You are. I heard you loud.
Me and Gavin might have a sleepover. Sorry, a play date.
A play date? You said sleepover. Guys, I'm about to expose him right now.
How?
There's
Don't tease me, kid.
showing him that we were just copying it a bunch of times, but it says we might have a sleepover on May 28th to May 30th.
Are you still in the car? Oh, yeah, you are.
Let me see which way. Oh, there's rotation. We're gonna go this way. I'm not sure though. Yes. Oh, it's dropping. You can see it. Oh, it's attempting to drop, but it went back up. Jesus. Stupid. You can see that. Oh, the rotation's getting bigger. I'm checking the map. Oh, it's tornado warned. What's the next turn? Way up there, and then we wanna. Oh, that's so stupid. Oh, it's lowering. You see that, Weston?
What?
It's loading. It's lowering. It's a funnel. Oh, it's going back up.
I see it.
Yeah, it's right there. Oh wait! Ah!
You are officially a hey car. Hey car!
Hey, car! Hey, yo, that is sus. Hey, car! Oh my gosh. Jesus. That's just like, what am I doing? Oh, it's lowering! It's lowering! It's lowering! It's right there. Oh, it's touchdown. Touchdown. That's touchdown. Oh my gosh, it is huge already. Dude, that's only an EF0. That's basically an EF0 right there.
Wow.
That big. I told you, we'll take you to the NADO. Take us to the NADO. Also, that's from Mark Peyton Vlogs. If you haven't subscribed to him, go subscribe to him. He's a pretty cool dude.
Oh.
He does storm chasing in actual real life. Oh Lord, this is about it. It's about to go down. Oh, we're in a tornado warning. Oh Jesus. It's about to go down.
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a tornado warning for Beltrami County in north central Keysota, Wadena County in north central Keysota. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Trent.
how big that thing is. Oh!
Under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is
The
available,
road's taking us
seek
this way,
shelter on the
which
lowest floor.
is taking us away from the tornado, which I do not like.
Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows.
Oh my gosh! I cannot believe I just caught that on camera. There's a triplets, basically. It's an expanding NATO.
Whoa, those are 3?
Yeah, it's basically 3, but it's actually just that one whole tornado doing that.
Shoot. Look at all those things going up in there.
Yeah, I know. That's so cool. Look at that.
I want to go. Did it just end?
Yeah, this is a dead end. We're gonna have to stop here and enjoy the view.
No, I'm not.
Nope, get back here. You don't wanna. It's way too far out. You can't even catch up to it, anyways. Plus, using your car in the grass is a bad idea. It's not gonna do well on the grass. Unless it
You
becomes
sure?
uphill.
It's a steep hill.
Yeah, it's a steep hill, but once you go uphill, it's gonna do bad. Watch.
What if I take a chill pill?
There's no way.
Alright.
Backing up is just gonna do worse. See? There's no way you're gonna get up that hill, Weston.
Unless I go around it and I spawn my car on top of the hill.
Yeah, but literally you're not gonna catch up to that tornado. There is no way. It's going like 50 miles per hour. Yeah, well, I'll watch you. Oh, look, it's a tornado emergency. It's going 60 miles per hour moving southeast. There's no way you're gonna catch up to it.
Going as fast as I can.
No, I mean, you basically are, but like...
Where are you?
How good is your memory? In a moment.
And there's another storm. Behind you.
There is? Oh, there is. I'll go get it.
I want to come. Hold on. Wait for me. I'm going down the hill. Evan, wait.
You decided to go down there, so no.
No. Evan, wait.
You
Fine,
deci-
I'll leave the game.
No, you decided to go down there. That was your choice. But also,
Already.
don't
Once again.
leave. That would be rude. Just forcing me to wait
Where are you?
by a bunch of houses. You need to pull
The
over.
ones that are lighting up.
Yeah. I need to pull over at this red one right here. I'm gonna pull over at this one.
Where are you?
I'm at the red house.
There's 2. There's 30.
No, there isn't 30. Pull up to one that has a white car.
Found it.
Whopper, 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 double chicken, triple, quadruple, Whopper. Double Whopper, triple, quadruple, Whopper. Hey, yo, that's sus. So sus. What in the world? Everything is sus around here. I hate it. I hate everything about it.
I don't want to play this anymore.
Hello. How are you? What are you doing? Standing there. Ha! Ha! I'm in you. I'm in you. What are you doing?
I don't want to really play anything.
Wait, what?
Can I see you later today?
What do you mean you're
Can I play for you later today?
Exactly how long? Because I don't want too long because I might be gone. Might not be there for the rest of the day because I'm going to be playing outside later today.
Well, I'm going to be playing with you. I just need an hour. Just an hour. Goodbye.
Bye. I will set a timer. Alright guys, this is going to be the end of today's video. That was kind of rude. Bye.